Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Cd space c:/. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/ boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.